opened up in Google Classroom Unit 3. Okay, the students have opened up the L2 export right here. I'm working on samples and we're going to do this together. So this is what a single layer looks like. It has only one layer, usually the background layer. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to remove this, okay? So what I'd like you to do is this. Go into Google Images, okay? Go into Google and type in anything that you like to type in. So, I don't know. It could be, since I kind of tease people. Okay, so I'm going to choose this. Okay. Does anybody know what this is? What's it called? What's it called? It's got a name. Rolodex? Yeah, you guys didn't know that. What does it mean? What does it mean to rip a CD? Yeah. Damn. You guys need a. Okay. Anyways, rip a CD means burn a CD. Same thing. All right. Good. Good. All right. So we got an older soul here. Oh, that's yeah. Me too. All right. So find an image to your liking. Right-click, copy. Find an image to your liking. Okay. And by the way, it's right behind me. And I don't know why this thing is not. Something's up here. Hold on a second. Sorry, I'm about to lose power here. Which I don't know why it's happening. All right, so I'm losing power here, so we'll do as fast as we can. All right, so we're going to open up Photoshop. Okay, look for an image in Google, as you can see right here. And then once you find it, okay, you're going to do the three-point method, okay? So the three-point method, okay, three-point import method, okay, that means you're going to copy, you're going to click on New Document, and then you're going to paste, okay? So I'm going to right-click, copy. I'm going to go into Photoshop, and I'm going to create a new document right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and, of course, it's clipboard, okay? So I double-click. I'll wait until everybody's with me. Is everybody with me? Okay. I double-click. Okay. Hey. Okay. Believe me, I can use more students in here and empty out the seats. Hey. Okay. Edit, paste. There we go. That's what now, here's one thing I want you to notice. This, if you listen to the video, okay, you'll notice that this is not a single layer object. This is multi-layer because it's got two layers. Okay, with two layers, this is not the answer I'm looking for. In order to get a single layer, you have to flatten it, okay? So again, I did all this, okay, so import. All right, so let me go ahead and highlight this, and I will go ahead and remove that part. Okay, in the layers palette, there's a thing called the hamburger icon, which is right over here. This icon, there right here. Okay. So, Darlene, are you able to see? You able to see? Okay. Okay, Valeria, you good? Okay. Click on this and then go all the way down until you see flatten image. All right, so click on flatten image, please. And you'll see now this turns into a single layer. So you're flattening it. All right, so you're stepping on it, okay? All right, like, was it this class that made the ketchup joke? No? Okay. All right, now what I'd like you to do is screen capture this. So Command-Shift-4. Command-Shift-4. Is that what you're asking? How do you what? Okay, so to flatten it, you go here. on the hamburger icon, and then it's already flattened it, so it's kind of ghosted out. But you select flatten image, okay? And then what you'll do is this. You will go ahead, but before we even do that, please make sure that you have the folder structure written out correctly. So remember, intro, unit 3, import, export, okay? There's no colons, there's no forward slash, just do that. And then L2 export. So if you can kindly do that right now, okay? You wanna, if you haven't done so, this is your opportunity. So 1-intro, okay? And even with that one, you don't need the hyphen, okay? I gotta start getting it. Thank you, Axel, for helping him. So I guess we can expand this one. Okay, so, all right, and then that's what I'm looking at. So I'm gonna give you a minute or two to go ahead and create the folder structure, okay? Okay, and I will go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, so we are now here. We saved this into 3 formats. Okay, so we saved this as GIF, TIFF, and all that. So we opened this new image. There it is. And we went File, Save a Copy, and we saved it as JPEG, we saved it as GIF, and we saved it as TIFF, as you can see right there. Oops, import, export, L2, dinner plate, there you see right there, GIF, JPEG, and TIFF. Okay, so to answer your question, answer my question, it takes 1,000 KBs to equal 1 MB. What's up? Okay. All right, so, but you notice that if this image here is 6.2 MB, the TIFF is 3 times larger. Because the TIFF is what you use for print. All these posters, everything you see on the walls, okay? And these are kind of, you know, not very good posters. Bye, Jerry. Ooh, what? What? Oh, finally. Okay, so JPEG LionKing.jpg, LionKing.tiff. So it's 3 times as much. Now let's go look at GIF or GIF. Notice it's only 5.1. So this is the lowest. JPEG is the second highest. TIFF is the highest. So now let's go ahead and compare. So how do you do this assignment? Okay, you got 3 columns here. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go into the Finder, and I'm going to go ahead and look for my export, and here's my dinner plates, okay? So first of all, let's go GIF. GIF is only 8.1 MB, so you're going to take a screenshot of this. First of all, in order to get this, you make sure you have columns selected, okay? This is the symbol for columns. So you're going to do a screenshot of only this right here. It's 8.1 MB. Then let's do the JPEG, and look at this. The JPEG is bigger, 13.1 MB. So I'm going to do a screenshot of this, and it doesn't matter where you keep it. And now finally, TIFF, look at that, 32 MBs. And as I save it, it's all going to be in your desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, okay? So what I can do is the following. Now you can just do it your way, but in my desktop, I'm just going to choose, I'm going to find all this. So let's see, this looks like it's the GIF. I'm going to bring it in here and place it right here. I'm going to shrink it. I need to be able to see the size. So the size is right there, okay, 5.1. Then I'm going to bring the other one in. And again, you can do File, Insert Image if you like. I'm going to choose, I think that's the TIFF. I want to choose a JPEG. Okay, so I'm going to bring, oops, that's the lion, sorry. Sorry, I chose the lion. I'm going to remove the lion and bring in the dinner plate. Yeah, there it is right there. So I'm going to bring this in. So you see how I'm doing it, how I'm just dragging it from the Finder or the Windows Explorer, whatever. That's how professionals do it, okay? So they don't like do File, Open, because it takes too many steps. So the professional, so this is the TIFF, and I'm just going to drag it in here. That's how you do it. You can leave this like I said, as long as I can see the image, and that's the end of this project, okay? At this point, I'm going to ask that you stop right here. Okay, we're going to stop right here. And I'll entertain any questions that you might have. Okay, yes. Who? Oh, yeah, go ahead. All right, and then we'll wait till tomorrow. We are going to be creating this right here eventually. This is called a multi-layer. I don't know if I had you download this or not, but what you can do is put a whole bunch of images one on top of each other. Okay, we'll do this tomorrow, and then we'll do the comparison, flatten and unflatten, and then we'll talk about saving on the cloud. So we'll finish this tomorrow. Hopefully we'll go ahead and start the creative process soon. That's the class for today. If you need my help with anything, please raise your hand.